Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Happy hump day. It's March 5th. Excuse my voice again today, guys. I'm going to talk as little as possible, but here's the daily frame coming in. Repeating the same thing every day, guys. Boring, 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 but that's the way to do it to master a single defined process. We have down moves, to put it in very simple terms. We are selling off here in the broad markets, guys, and we have inside days here today, guys, on all three sisters, Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow, with bearish bodies so far. So a bearish, kind of a leaning bias coming in here to the session. The two sisters, we'll come back to that in a moment. Here's my trading grid. There's the daily inside day bearish body aligned with this entire bearish move, right? And then we have our 30-minute chart, very central to what I do with the Razor's Edge model. You can see that we had this big rally attempt, not even an attempt, a big rally in the afternoon here, very strong in the afternoon, pulling up, erasing part of the sell down that we had on Monday, if you remember. Started the week with this, right? Boom, boom, in the same day. And then erase most of that and then turned, flipped, and then in the last 30 minutes of yesterday, guys, we sold down big, taking out 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 30-minute candles. You can do the math on how much time that is. And then after hours, right, when the markets are basically closed, regular trading hours are closed, we had earnings and there was a pump. And then we have sideways ever since, selling down here, guys, in the UK to this zone that was formed at the end of the day and after hours. Kind of a little bit of both in there, right? That's important. And now we'll see what happens here on the open in the next minute and 4 seconds. Over to the two sisters on the 1-minute charts, guys. We are around 2 standard deviations before the North American volumes kick in here. There's volume weighted average price way up here, of course. I'll bring you back after the 1-minute open range is formed, and we'll get this thing going. I'm just going to wait around here, guys. Be very patient. There's the 2 standard deviation band up there. I'm just going to expand so we can watch this a little more closely. Nothing for me to do. Kind of just hanging about here now on the 30-minute chart. See that there? Big wicks, small bodies, indecision. Nothing for me to do, guys. If we push down here decisively into this cleanish traffic zone, I may consider something if everything looks right, but nothing right now. We'll let this opening flurry and tug of war play out for a while. Inside day, bearish body, could be a wick fill opportunity here on the daily. See that there? In other words, driving down and filling. Just bringing out a marker here, guys, not doing anything, just thinking and measuring. I'm using these markers more now, guys, as I think and plan things out so that you can hopefully get a real clear idea of what my brain is doing. Some people have asked for that, and I'm happy to oblige. Try to articulate what I've kind of learned over nearly 40 years in a way that's clear and simple. Moving this to the side just to show you that this is not an order. It's just a marker that I'm going to use for measuring ideas. That's all. You will know exactly when I'm in place. I'll explain that I am now live, guys, and you will see prices cross the line, and that's when I will be in and then deal with the consequences, so to speak. Back again, measuring. Just thinking, guys. Where does that fall? So I use my cursor here. This is for 1 hour. I won't be trading only for 1 hour, but I want to see where 1 hour is. And it's right here at the bottom of that wick. So sell stop order, guys, for now. I may cancel that very quickly. Sell stop order. Here we go, guys. Sell stop order. And I'm in, guys, just like that. I am in. I am short the Nasdaq. A little whippy here this morning, so anything can happen here, but I am short the NAS. And now it's the waiting game. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. Now we'll wait and see how these other players are going to do. All right, guys, very sudden reversal here. And so the 2R move stop to break even at 1R is out break even. This is not looking good for the other two participants, but we'll see. And there it is, guys, all the way back to the original stop. And so we have one winner, we have one break even, and two 1R charges for the 1.5 and 2R all or nothing traders. Thanks for being here. Have an amazing day. We'll talk soon.